Hello, today I am with HUAWEI P40 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to change or to manage permissions on this device. So let's go to the settings. Now we have to go to the apps, permissions, and for example we can go for the location, I think. Yeah, and maybe we can turn off the location in the gallery. Oh, but as you can see, it is not turned on. So let's check which application have access to our location. Or maybe we can give access to the location, like the application health, like when we are going to run, yeah, and we want to track our distance. So click on the allow all the time, and right now the health application has access to the location. So thank you for watching, and leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.